Guys, as you can probably tell, I'm in a different location. I'm also behind the camera today. I've got a different video for you. In this box here is my new Lowery stand. So I thought I'd do a quick video just to show setting it up. Excuse the shakes as I'm holding it in my hand. As you can see, the box itself isn't that big. It's got a fair weight to it. So let's go ahead and open it up. There you can probably see the width better. See if I can get into this first time or not. Doing this one-handed, so not the easiest of tasks. Let's get some scissors into that, I think. And this was delivered by a courier to me. Really, probably took this out of packaging off. Just take that out of there. And go in. Only took 2 minutes. Okay, so it comes in this box. Open at the side here. Okay, we have this part, and we have the base. And the instructions. Okay, as you can see, the base isn't very big, so it should be fine for storage wise. And we have the instructions. And a diagram. Then a bit more information. And then maintenance. Now while I'm here, I am just going to measure this for you guys so you can see how big it actually is. Okay, the biggest part is, as you can see, just over 12 inches, about 31 centimetres. And the smallest size is just under 9 inches, about 22.5 centimetres. So as you can see, it's not very big. So you've got plenty of places that you could store this. Okay. Now I've got to get into this lovely packaging. Definitely being secured around each part. Just get this bit off and this bit will be free. But it's going to take longer to unpack than it is actually going to build up. Just going to place you there a second. I need 2 hands to get the plastic off that part. Alright, let's see how we go with the rest. It's definitely secure, even if it was just on a piece of cardboard. Let's get into these last 2 parts. Okay, and we're done. And you're thinking, thank God, she's finished making lots of noise. Okay. Obviously I haven't read the instructions, but this part here, we need to go ahead and just unscrew that part there. So I'm going to try and do this with one hand. And get it to line up. I'm probably not very well single-handedly, but we shall give it a go. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take that off. hair still on it. Nice and shiny. Okay, turn it over, and it has got the Lowery stamp on there. Now what we're going to do this single-handed. I don't know. We'll give it a go. Let's lean that against my sofa. We're going to connect this to the bottom of here. Now I'm not sure if I can do this while holding the phone. So you up while I just do this next part, and hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to get this and get my screw that I took off the end, push that through there, and then line that up. I'm just going to start it off with my hand, if it'll go. Okay. There we are, that's all nice and secure, as you can see. There we are. Okay, and this bit here is our lever screw. Not sure whether I've put this. Oh, the double, both sides, that's fine. I'm not sure if that's meant to be inside, but I've got it at the side. I can always undo that and move it if it's in the way, because I can't see anything that says what way it's got to go. Okay, now on this bit here we're going to go ahead and attach this. So let me just swap hands. and that is literally no. Okay, on here you've got a little screw. We're just going to undo that, and we're just going to place that on there like so, and you can have this as there or as far out as you want, as long as you've got enough room to secure that onto there. So I'm just going to pull this back in for the minute. Then all you do, turn it the right way, is just tighten that. Okay, and then on here again you've got one of these, and I've just completely pulled that off, so you can adjust the level. And we had the pin that came in with this, so all we're going to do, I'm probably going to have to take that part off. All we're going to do is lift that up and pop our pin in. So I'm just going to, I've got nothing to rest you on at the minute, just pop you there, and I'm just going to position it, and I've dropped you. But as you can see, I've now popped my pin in, and it's at that height. I'll probably have to adjust that. I'm just going to pop this on there, and I'm going, at the moment that's moving, but I'm going to, without hitting myself in the head, just attach this back on, and I cut you off. So I don't know if this is going to, I don't think this is going to join on, so I'm going to have to figure out how to edit this together. Okay, let's lay you down now. All I am doing is just tightening this screw. Okay. There, I've just tightened this screw, and now move my work, just undo that. And the stitching is on place. Okay, this isn't where I'm going to have mine. I'm going to have it at the side of the sofa, but there, mine's going to be at the side, and because it's here I can't get it in quite so close because of the cushion sticking out, but hopefully this bit here will go in a bit more, but it's going to be at the side of my sofa, so it's not going to make a lot of difference, but it's snug and I'll be able to sit up there and do my work. So I hope this helps, and I'm sorry it's a bit jumpy, and I'll catch you all with my next usual update. Thanks for watching. Bye.